Benny Master's Lecture, the 8th of the 16 Aspects of Great Compassion, Liberation from Evil Paths. Dear friends, today we come together to explore the 8th aspect of the 16 Acts of Great Compassion, Liberation from Evil Paths. This is a path to true freedom, and I will discuss its profound truth from 3 perspectives: the harm of arrogance, the cause of ignorance, and the compassionate vows of bodhisattvas, hoping to inspire us all. 1. Arrogance binds, humility frees. Arrogance stems from a desire for respect and admiration, yet it severs all wholesome connections. Looking down on others and believing oneself superior makes one rigid and unteachable, leading to a lonely, desolate existence that sends chills down the spine. To overcome arrogance, we must constantly reflect and examine whether our hearts are humble and gentle. Humility is like sunlight, where darkness cannot linger. With disciplined practice, awareness arises naturally, like remembering to dress before leaving home each morning. When humility becomes second nature, arrogance finds no foothold, and evil paths fade far behind. 2. Ignorance traps, awareness liberates. Sentient beings fall into evil paths due to ignorance, mistaking it for clarity. Clinging to preferences, they linger in attachment, unable to let go, losing freedom and enduring constant suffering. This stems from conditioning, which spreads into the 4 poisons of greed, anger, arrogance, and doubt, merging with ignorant consciousness. These drive beings to drown in emotions, exhaust their lives, and sink into evil paths. Yet this is not real, awareness can shatter it. Recognizing the illusion of attachments is like waking from a dream. By abandoning wrong views and establishing right view, right thinking, and right action, we escape evil paths. 3. Bodhisattvas' compassionate vows, teaching right view for liberation. Seeing beings delight in evil paths, trapped in the mire of afflictions and deluded by self-righteousness, bodhisattvas give rise to great compassion. They vow to save all beings, teaching right view to reveal the truth. Suffering arises from conditioning and ignorance, with greed, anger, arrogance, and doubt consuming lives. By abandoning wrong views and following right view, right thinking, and right action, we leave suffering behind and attain ultimate joy. Conclusion: right view liberates, attaining ultimate joy. Dear friends, liberation from evil paths hinges on right view. Humility overcomes arrogance, awareness dispels ignorance, and practicing right view leads us out of evil paths. Thank you for listening. May we inspire one another.